is harboring not only harboring a wanted criminal, but it is a member of their core group. Yes, they even introduce this as introduce it as their best lawyer and one of the best of lawyer that they have. Yes, I just wanna say that you and MG are both clowns. Maybe he is, but I am not. Well, if I am a clown, then I am a good one. A clown that willing to share candies to the audience and children. Not like the other clown who has only taking the money after for show and left the group. Selectable. However, thank you for the 499. I am very, very happy that everything is come to pass and come to light. Now we know and my team know that all those things, you know, today is not a game of power, but it's a game of finesse, a game of understanding. Yes. However, I consider it as a total victory. Well, anyway, my deal is stand still. Okay? You have enemy? It's good. Why it's good? Because sometimes in your lifetime, you stood for something what you know is right. And what I know is this hardened criminal who served their sentence and become a free man, I will always love to fulfill my promise that I could help them in any way I can. And what is also another principle, that as a free man and a citizen of this country, not because I have dispute with these people. No. As a citizen of this country, it is my duty to help our enforcer of the law, to enforce the law, to put this fugitive criminal into the hands of the law. I could make them suffer as I suffer. I could make them pay the price of touching me, bullying me and my family. But you know, God tell me to forgive them. So I forgive. Okay. Francis, sir, remember, education will not represent who you are, but your attitude does. All you have to do is sit silent, take an oath, sign, and then leave. We take good care of the rest. You know? To be a hero, you can defy gravity. You can defy physics. You can defy time. If you cannot understand what I am doing, then so be it. Because I could not just sit in my panic room watching our people dying from hunger and suffering, both by this constant distress during the height of this COVID-19 pandemic. Here is the thing. Your offer of your informal disclosure is spill the tea regarding Makagago does not align with my interests. I intend to establish the material fact strictly within the framework of the law, independent of your cooperation. For the evil to go triumphant is for those good men to do nothing. So, I give courage. I even slander those richest men in the country just to join me. But instead, who's joining me? My effort in launching the Mayaman Challenge, the ordinary one. And many of the rich also jive into that endeavor. So, no matter how great the mission is, of course, we achieve it. And the Mayaman Challenge was born. Yes. Kalinga, Tabuk, city, Kalinga, former Tabuk Kalinga Apayao. But when the Congress passed the separation between the two, between the one of the biggest provinces, Tabuk Kalinga Apayao, they separated the Kalinga to Apayao. When everything going to be all right, I'll help you back. That's a promise, and that's a life. My word is my life, and my life is my promise. Yes. So that's made a fair justice on the food that we're going to receive. Thank you, Lord. Kalinga. My impression about Kalinga is, you know, here is the deal. Take it or leave it. Contact me and I will spill all the tea. Sabi niya. She will spill all the tea. Wow. Now, this is a question that lingering on my thoughts. How you can spill the tea while you and your group crying over a spilled milk? Wherever I go, people recognize me as their hero. A man who stand against all odds during the heights of COVID-19. A man that's supposed to enjoy his life, his wealth, his beautiful wife. But instead, a man that choose Filipino people among everything. I have gambled the maximum bet casino has ever had. I have tasted the most expensive whiskey, wine, rum, cognac the world can produce. I have laid the most beautiful women in the world. Some of them Miss Universe, some of them Miss World, some of them Miss International, and a lot of sexy lady from different variety show. This borrowed life is not a benefit of my life, but a benefit to others. I could not see, or I could not just sit in my panic room watching my people dying from hunger and suffering brought by the constant distress of the COVID-19. So, I lose my wife, I lose my wealth, I lose my sports car, I lose everything. But I'm fine, I'm fine. It's not the wealth that we have or the power that we gain, but it is the legacy that we left behind to those people we touch matter. They spend time, they spend fortune to support me. Of course, they believe in me. Simple act of caring create a remarkable ripple. Okay. A loyal supporter, forged by loyalty,